Hey guys, what's up? I'm Lindsay. Welcome back to my channel, and I am here today because I have received in the mail a Stitch Fix. Now, I got notification that it was delivered today. I came home from work, ran straight to the office, got it, and brought it back up so I could film this video. I have no idea what's in it. I did not peek online. I asked my coworker, should I peek? And she was like, no. So here's my box. This is what it looks like when it comes. So cute and bundled. And I am gonna grab some scissors and open it. All right, I've got my scissors. I'm gonna open it up and see what's inside. I am so excited. I've been dying to get these boxes. So I've even moved up my Stitch Fix to like the least amount of time in between fixes because I've been so obsessed with getting them. Yeah, so this is gonna be fun. So as soon as you open your box, this is what you'll see. So I've got a return label. I've got little notes from my stylist, and then I've got this bundle. So I'm just gonna take the bundle out so you can see. So this is my bundle. And so there's tons of stuff in here. I see lots of really pretty prints, so I'm super excited about that. So I can't decide what I want to do first, if I want to open my bundle or open my notes from my stylist. Let's do a first impression on what's in the bundle. Okay, so it looks like a pair of, no, it's a skirt. Oh guys, it's a skirt. So it looks like this is from Society Plus. Oh wow, I'm excited about the skirt. I'm really excited about this really pretty skirt. It's got some really pretty print to it. Okay, I told my stylist that I mostly wear dresses and skirts. I don't really wear pants. Okay, the next is a dress. And it's really pretty. Oh, it's really pretty. It doesn't have a ton of stretch, so I'm not sure how it'll work for me. My cat just knocked all my Stitch Fix on the ground. Okay, so this is what that looks like. Looks like it's got a really pretty back. Yeah, this is cute. Next item I have is this shirt. It's got a cute little pocket here, polka dot back. I'm pretty sure I said on my thing to avoid polka dots, because for me, I don't like them. I'm not sure how I feel about this shirt, but I'll try it on and see. Okay, not very excited about the shirt. Okay, so I have this really pretty dress here. I'm not in love with it off of first glance, but I could see where she might think I like it. It's the print. I like this type of print, I think. I'm not sure, we'll see. And then the last item that she sent is a black shirt. So it looks pretty basic. It does have like a flutter sleeve, which I know I'm not gonna like, but I'll try it. It's got a flutter sleeve. It just doesn't really look like me, and it's not gonna be long enough, but I will certainly give it a try. All right, so I'm not sure where I left off, and I apologize because my daylight is quickly diminishing, so I had to pull out a different type of light. But the last item that my stylist sent me was this black top. It looks pretty basic. It does have like a flutter sleeve, which I know I'm not gonna like, but I'll try it. I will certainly give it a try because you never know, right? So yeah, those are the items that she sent me. I am gonna be 100% honest, this fix was a total bust. Like, I did not like anything in it. Some things fit really big, some things fit really small. A lot of things just weren't my style. So let's read the prices. Let's go to this shirt first. This striped shirt with the polka dots. It's got a cute little pocket, but The pocket's got a little bit of floral on it. Okay, I didn't like it. It was okay. It reminds me of a shirt that I could find at Ross. Like, just being completely real, this shirt lives at Ross. And I don't like the shirts at Ross because they all look like this. And I just don't like it. So how much was this shirt? Let's see. It's by Ezra. This shirt is $44 and I will not be keeping the shirt. I don't like it. I don't like it at all. Okay. So there's that one. All right, so let's talk about the other shirt. This black shirt, need to unbunch it. Unbunch you, okay. So this one is by the brand, goodness, Collection by Babou? Collection by Babou? Babou? B Collection by Babou? I don't know. So this shirt is $54. One thing that I didn't notice, that I noticed once I had it on, was this kind of sheer mesh panel. See if you can see it yet. There you go. So there's a sheer mesh panel like in the cleavage. This shirt was $54 and I will not be keeping it. I did not like it at all. I did not like the flutter sleeves. I did not like the design on the front. I don't really like it at all. So, especially for $54, absolutely not. Okay. The next thing let's talk about is this skirt. You know, I generally would usually like this skirt, but it was a little bit too big. It was really long, and I am 5'10", guys, and this came to my calf, and I didn't like that at all. I felt very matronly in it. I just did not feel cute. I looked at it to see if it could be hemmed, and depending upon the price, I might take it really fast to see if someone could hem it for me, but it was still a little bit big. So this is by Society Plus, and it is the most expensive item in this bundle, and it is $78, and I'm not keeping that. I don't think it's worth, however much it'll cost to get it hemmed to make it an acceptable length for me. I am 30, and this made me feel really old. It was a combination of the material, the bigness around, and the length. I don't like it. But I have been very interested in trying some Society Plus items, and now I'm confident to say I would probably wear a 2X in Society Plus, and I would be confident in trying another piece by them. So there's a plus in that, but not $78 worth. So the next item was this dress, and I didn't like it. I felt matronly. I felt like it came off the rack at JCPenney. I felt like I didn't like this hole that I didn't notice before, right here. And I just really, really didn't like it. I didn't like anything about it. I don't like the print on me. I don't like that hole. I don't like the neckline. I felt very cooped up in the arms, like it wasn't cut for my arms. So I won't be keeping this either. And this item is by Wisp Woman. And it is $68, and no, I won't be keeping it. I don't like it at all. All right, so the last item was this dress, and I feel like did Taryn Denise get this dress? Because I feel like she might have. It did not fit, so it would have fit, but I couldn't get it over my boobs. This material just doesn't have enough stretch to it, like in the breast area. Otherwise, it probably would have been pretty cute, and I probably would have liked it. The print's cute, but to me, it is a fall style dress. It has very long sleeves. I'm in San Antonio. It's kind of a, like, I don't know, it makes me feel sweaty material. So this item was It's by Collective Concepts. Oh, no. Okay, this is by Collective Concepts. It was the most expensive item in my bag. I take back what I said earlier. It was $84 and I will not be keeping it. So, guys, I won't be keeping anything in my box this time. So that's okay, right? So like the whole point of this is to try things you wouldn't have normally tried. It's to hopefully find a gem. And it's kind of exciting to get it. So I'm not gonna give up. I'm gonna give it another round to see if she, you know, picks different things out for me. But this box to me was not in line with my personal style. This dress is kinda, but the rest of the items, I don't think that I would ever wear any of them. No. But watch, look how easy it is for me to return the items. Get this Priority Mail bag, okay? It already has your label on it, way easy. It's really big, so you can fit everything back in. So watch this, guys. Item 1, item 2 and 3, 4 and 5, back in the bag, rip off the plastic, seal her up. The beauty about this type of label through USPS is that you do not have to take it to the post office. You can drop it into any blue box. So I will do that tomorrow. I will drop it into the box that is near me at work. And I lost 20 bucks. I've paid $20 in shipping to get an item to me and to get an item back. So I am not mad at it. It is okay. This stitch fix was not for me. And we'll move on. That's it. I paid $20 for a bad meal. So guys, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate you stopping by. Every Stitch Fix is not going to be the perfect fix for you. So just remember that, like, you might get boxes that are not gonna be a great fit for you. So I'm just gonna return this. I'm not even disappointed. Give it a try next time. Bye-bye. I get to say bye to this stuff. And so anyways, thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Look out for my next video. Bye, guys.